welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you here in the newest cleaning video. It's currently about 5:30 p.m. and now it's time to start doing some cleaning, because if I show you how really my house look like, it's such an extreme mess. I hate mess. Everyone who knows me knows that I hate messy houses. And when I see my house like this, when I see my bed looking like this, since this morning, because I was in a rush and I didn't have enough time to do my bed, so this is making me crazy. And I know that in a couple of hours, I'll go straight in the same bed, but I don't mind. I have to put this bed in order because it's making me crazy. I got lots of laundry to put away, about 2 washing machines, so I have to do this. It's not gonna be such a crazy cleaning because, yeah, I just don't want to do, I don't have to do something such crazy, but I have to do the vacuum cleaning upstairs, the laundry, and what else? Maybe to do the pack lunches, to prepare the pack lunches for tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. So if you are interested in how a working mom of 2 is trying to manage and to put in order her house during the nighttime, so you're very welcome to stay with me and let's start cleaning. But before this, I think that I'm gonna grab something to drink. I'm not so sure I got enough coffees for today, so maybe just a cup of water, something so refreshing, and some kind of a nice music like a background. I'm gonna do this like a voiceover video because my boy is watching Netflix downstairs and it's so loud. Of course, I don't know why they have to listen everything so loudly. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the voiceover with a little bit of tender music. Yeah, so if you like this type of videos, if you like watching my videos and me, so let's jump straight into the cleaning. start preparing some dinner for the kids. My boy, he was asking me for these chicken nuggets, bird-eye chicken nuggets with gold whole grain, and I'm just gonna bake them right now. Thanks so much for watching once again. I really hope that you enjoy my video and that inspire you at least a little bit. Have a nice evening, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!